Welcome to App Solver YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you how we can cast our mobile screen to laptop or PC for completely free. We don't have to plug in any USB cables or external hardware devices like Chromecast to cast our mobile screen to laptop. I will show you how we can cast our mobile screen to laptop in a simple and most easiest way. Let's get started. As you can see, I am using Android smartphone. Please open Play Store as shown in this video if you are an Android smartphone user. If you are using iPhone, please open App Store in your mobile. After opening the Play Store or App Store, search for an application AirDroid as shown here. Select the below application from search results and install it as shown in the video. Please wait for the installation to complete. Installation will normally complete in few minutes. After the installation is completed, please open the AirDroid application. When you have opened the AirDroid application, we will see two options as shown here. First option is Sign In. If you are an existing user, you can select Sign In option. If you are a new user, please select Sign Up option. If you are signing up, then please enter all the required details like email address, password, and nickname as shown here. As I am an existing user, I will be choosing the first option and signing in with existing email address and password. After the sign-in is completed, we see few pages as shown here. Click on Continue and allow required permission as needed. As you can see, we were able to successfully sign in. Now we are almost ready to cast our mobile screen to laptop or PC. Keep the app running in your mobile device. Meanwhile, please access your laptop and open the URL shown in the video in your web browser. Enter your AirDroid credentials and click Sign In. As you can see, this is the web page of AirDroid. Apart from casting our mobile screen to laptop, we can also use this application to do various other activities like accessing our files present on the mobile phone. You can also download a file from AirDroid to your laptop. You can also upload files from your laptop to mobile using AirDroid. We can also remotely control our mobile phone. I will discuss all these features in our upcoming videos in detail. For now, we will see how we can cast mobile screen to laptop. Let's continue. To cast your mobile screen to laptop, please click on mirroring icon as shown here. After clicking the mirroring icon, please open AirDroid in your mobile and click on Start Now button. After clicking Start Now, your mobile screen will be casting on your laptop. As you can see, I am able to see my mobile screen on laptop now. You can also switch to full screen mode. Change the resolution to HD or lower resolution as per your preference. That's all. Hope you find this information useful and able to successfully cast mobile screen to laptop. If you like the video, please like the video and share it with your loved ones. For more updates, please subscribe to App Solver YouTube channel. Thank you.